A very good morning, DCL cruise nerds. We are, of course, aboard the Disney Dream. Today is day 2, first day of Castaway Cay. It is 8:30, and there's hardly anyone here. So let me turn around to Enchanted. Of course, it's silly. No one here. It's quiet. Like, besides the Disney music, it's like you can hear crickets. It's that quiet. So let's go enjoy some breakfast in Enchanted Garden. First time that it's open for us, at least, since the last cruise. So we're gonna go see what kind of breakfast is available. See y'all soon. Well, once again, good morning, cruise nerds. So we are actually just now backing up into Disney's private island of Castaway Cay. Which is actually nice to see for once, because normally we are sleeping softly and soundly asleep in the nice dreamy beds. But so today we can go all ashore at 9:30. But so that means when you do the virtual queue, that would be 8:30, so an hour earlier. So when I went to go do it, the virtual queue just disappeared. So I'm waiting for it to come back up, or for Jimmy to come over the PA system to make an announcement this morning. So we're just waiting for more information there. So this morning, like I mentioned earlier, is that we are coming to Enchanted Garden, which is midship deck 2, and it is very quiet in here. So we're getting ready to order our breakfast and enjoy a nice view of Disney's private island of Castaway. Alright, cruisers, so our breakfast has arrived. So Mama Ronnie wanted me to show off this omelet that she just got. So look how awesome this looks. It's really thick. Bacon. So that's her breakfast. And then, of course, I got the DCL Express, hash browns, bacon, eggs, and then Hannah, of course, got the blueberry muffins with hash brown, pancakes, blueberry pancakes. If I didn't say that, I'm sorry, I'm not awake yet. The coffee and soda has not taken effect yet. So we're gonna go enjoy some breakfast, and then we're gonna go back to the room to get ready for the island. So I will see y'all very soon. Alright, cruisers, so if you can see this amazing crew right here, they've been taking care of us this whole cruise. We're spoiled. So we're gonna go to the room now and go get ready for the island. So I'll see y'all soon. Oh, good morning once again, cruise nerds. I mean, you can't beat this view of Disney's private island of Castaway Cay. You just can't. So we're just taking it in, waiting for our turn for the virtual queue, and then at that point we'll go on to the island and enjoy a little bit of Disney's private island of Castaway Cay. And oh my goodness, and enjoy barbecue, enjoy a little bit of possibly Serenity Bay. Oh, like I said, can't beat this view. So let's see a little bit of private island, Castaway Cay. Alright, cruisers, so we finally made it onto the island, and we're now going to go enjoy a little bit of Castaway Cay and enjoy another amazing day. We're going to probably get some snorkeling in, some float and tube time, maybe even go to Serenity Bay for a little bit. We'll see how the day goes. So let's go have some fun. Alright, cruise nerds, so when you come off the ship, you're going to see my friends Gregory and everybody here right off the ship to get your towels, to let them know how many you need, and then go enjoy the island. So here they are.
Alright. Please remember to drink lots of water and use your sunscreen.
Good evening, cruise nerds. I hope everyone had an amazing day. So, today was awesome on Disney's Private Island once again. And my sister and I, Anna and myself, did snorkeling today, which was very, very interesting and very fun. At the same time, we got to see the sunken treasure. Let's go ahead and, before, I know y'all probably can't see it really well, but the moon tonight is just awesome. It's a beautiful feel. So tonight is fireworks and dinner, and once we've watched the fireworks, that's where I'll end it for the night. So until then, I'll see you at dinner. Three. Thank you. Alright, prisoners, so we're in Enchanted Garden tonight, as you know. So I just want to point out something before we go into entrees. So the bread service is, if you see that, it is chickpea garlic puree. That's the dip for the bread. So that's that. And as you probably heard, it's Anna and the Megan Show. And then I got the tomato soup, which I had on one of my other cruises. And then Mama Ronnie and Anna got
mushroom tart. I can never remember which way to do it. There it is. Yummy.
It's a learning process for both of us, so thank you for being patient, cruise nerds. So Mama, I think, is really enjoying her appetizer. What do you think, Mama? It's delicious, and like Lumiere says, if you don't believe me, ask the dishes. So we're gonna go eat and enjoy our entree. Appetizer. I'm sorry, guys. We will have a lot of bloopers. I'm gonna probably do a blooper reel one day. So we're gonna enjoy our appetizers, and then we'll be back for dinner. See you soon. Bon appetit. Alright, cruisers, as you can tell, someone is already happy.
Yes, I got a tower. It's an appetizer, but I'm having it as an entree.
Yes, so if you ever want to be on Anna's good side, that's what you need to make sure you get for her. And then, of course, I got the lighter fare of chicken with potato, with some veggies, and then, and also a side of risotto. As you can see, you can ask for that. And then I did some sour cream. Yes, go ahead and put it there.
More?
Mom got the sea bass.
Yes,
and the sea bass has the risotto underneath it. That's where Megan got the side from.
Yes, so you can sorry about that. Once again, another blooper. But anyways, so yeah, if there's something that you like on the menu, you can definitely ask for it on the side, and you can definitely do that. So, bon appetit, guys. We're going to go enjoy our food, and we'll be back for dessert. See you soon. Alright, cruise nerds. So, tomorrow I will be actually going to Vanellope's, because I know that was one location I have not covered, but something that Anna and I actually surprised Mama with is a race car. And they actually have this race car, Vanellope's race car. And this is actually something you can keep. And one other thing is family challenge like trophy cup, which I'll show tomorrow. And this one you get to choose 3 flavors, and then you get to choose 5 toppings, and then the whipped cream and the chocolate on top. So the whipped cream and the chocolate on top with the cherries are included on top of the 5 toppings that you can do. And we got M&M's, Reese's, chocolate, little things, and then little pearls, and then on the side we got caramel sauce, And then also, Anna, what did you choose? This is
Toffee pieces.
Toffee pieces, and this is so Mom actually, if
We
you heard
snuck
her, we actually snuck off earlier because we wanted to surprise Mom as a little thank you for bringing us on this cruise. So we wanted to surprise her. So we went to Vanellope's, and so this was actually just like a little sweet treat. And she actually just realized that that's what we were doing this afternoon. We kind of went off. Thank you, Lavette. Our server just brought us both so we can share. So we're gonna go enjoy and see you soon.